Hi there, this is a cooking experiment. I have watched my favorite YouTuber make SPAM MUSUBI and just wondered if I could make it in South Africa. I could not find any pork spam though, only canned beef meat, but I hope it will work. Here are the ingredients: spam, or in my case corned beef, seaweed, rice from my very convenient rice cooker, rice vinegar, I did not have rice wine, soya sauce, honey from my own garden, and brown sugar to compensate for the vinegar. I mixed the liquids together to make a marinade for the spam. So let's get started. But have I mentioned that I've never made this before and didn't even know how to open the can? I first cut my spam into equally thick slices and started frying them until golden brown. I did turn them quite often, and when they were golden brown on both sides, I started adding the marinade, on both sides again of course, and kept frying them for another little while. And then I set them aside. Now it's time to put it all together. I took a sheet of seaweed and put it down with the rough side up, and then used a little Tupperware to make a rectangular block with the rice and put it on top of the seaweed. Next, I put a slice of spam on top and sprinkled it with a herb mixture similar to what is known as furikake in Japan. Lastly, I put a layer of Kewpie mayo on top and then tried to close it up, but almost forgot to put some water on the seaweed to make it stick. There you go. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now what about the taste? Wow, much better than I expected. And there you have it. SPAM MUSUBI, South African style. Now it's just time to clean up the mess that I've left behind.